Hello guys, welcome back. Now we are going to retrieve the contact list. We will implement the contact list feature. For that purpose, as you know that the contact list, this is our chat area. That is, it is inside this folder. The file name is chat underscore area dot dot. In order to keep the code organized, what we can do is we can create a separate folder for the chat area and its sub features. So right click on chat messages areas, new, create a new folder by the name chats area. So the folder chats area is created. Now what we can do is just drop this chat area dot dot file inside this chats area. You can simply drag and drop it inside this chats area folder. You will see this pop-up refactor. Okay, so now the chat underscore area dot dot is inside the chats area folder. Now what we can do is we will now implement our contact list inside this folder. We will create the dot file for it, and also the recent chats dot file we will create inside this chats area. In this way we can keep the code clean, or you can say we can keep the code more organized. Also, one more thing is, as you know that this is chats area and not just chat, so if you want you can refactor this. Okay, just give it correct names, okay, professional names. So right click on chat messages area, refactor, rename, and you can add s with it. So chats messages area or areas, okay, refactor. So it will just do the changes. Also, the chats area folder, we have chat area. Right click on it, refactor, rename, and give it name as chats area underscore area, okay, refactor. Open up the chat underscore area and then select this chat area, right click on it, refactor, and just add s with it, chats area. Okay, the reason for all this renaming is just to keep correct and professional names to each file, okay, so that we can understand each and every file and each and every line of code easily. Okay, let's say if after a year you open up this Flutter project, so you can easily understand the structure of this project, that is where the specific code file is and inside which directory the specific code file is. Okay, so you will understand and remember all these things easily. That's why I rename this. Otherwise, if you do not rename it, it is totally okay, but just to keep the code organized, that's why I rename it. Okay, now if you see this red line with the home page, then come here to the home page, and as you know we have renamed our packages, so automatically it do not replace these two packages. You have to just remove it like this, and then come down here, and here you have to type this again, chats area, okay, and then type this one again, messages area. That's it. Okay, that is it. Import these two with their new reference package to the package, okay, to the files. So anyways, that was it. Now what we can do is, as I told you, we are going to implement the contact list. So for the contact list, right click on chats area, as it is the part of chat area, so that's why inside this folder we will create. So right click on chats area, new dot file, we will give it name as contacts list. Create a stateful widget, we will give it name as contacts list. So this is our contact list, so we will add that here. That is inside a padding widget, we will add that is apply padding on it. Horizontal at, and then the child of this will be our contact list. Similarly, recent chats is also inside the chats area. So inside the chats area folder, right click on it, new dot file, and let's create that as well. We can say recent underscore recent chats we will create a stateful widget. We will give it name as recent chats. So in the same way we can say recent chats. So you see our code is more organized. Okay, that is, we can easily understand that inside the chats area we have our contact list and the recent chats. So now, as I told you guys, first we will work on the contact list.